I think same thing. So we got our chicken here. The white chicken and the duck. Oxtail 10.99 a pound, but that's a lot of fat. Beef bone 3.49 a pound. That is so getting duck and chicken here at the farm. You see the goat kill over there? Look the goat in here. Welcome, happy new year, wishing you all the best, many more to come, bright and prosperous new year 2026. So we have some duck here, all seasoned up. We're gonna cook some curry duck today. I got my bird pepper, my bandania thyme, everything blend up here. We're gonna go cook some duck curry or curry duck or masala duck or bunje duck or whatever duck. So guys, like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope all is well. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Don't forget to give me a like. Okay, let's begin. Garam masala, jeera, and some curry powder here. And some turmeric. Madras curry powder to bunje up the stock. Alright guys, let's begin. So guys, I have my pot hot in here, but guess what? Today is windy, so I gotta block up that with a piece of plywood. It's windy and it's blowing my stove. Here's how windy it is. So let's begin this curry. So we added our curry powder here. The jar curry powder, or jeera, or garam masala in here. Curry is burn. You want to pat the curry really good. So it's nice and fat here. Add the duck in. So we have a duck here, season up nice, roast and cut up fresh from the fowl farm. Here we pay $60 for a duck. This is a drake. Nice season up here. I'm gonna add my duck. Here are the seasoning, and I'm gonna cover it and then turn it up. So we're gonna fry it up in the curry powder here. The duck is gonna let go some water, and you're gonna let them like fry up. So it's gonna let go its own water. You don't want to add more water. It's gonna spring water. Nice because it's nice. So we have a couple of curry ducks here. Curry ducks for the new year. Happy New Year to each and everyone. All the best for the new year. Another year. Here we get some blue. It's windy out there. Oh, the wind is blowing the trees. Yesterday was 40 degrees, last day was 28. Today's like 39. So guys, just bring it to water here and then add more water. Fry it up we're done dry here. I'll fry it in the oil. Add the water. So we're gonna add the water now with some seasoning again. Put some nice onion and scallion and celery there. I'm gonna boil it. That's the secret here to a tasty duck. You wanna put some seasoning on top it. Remember you season the meat. So now you wanna put some more fresh seasoning here. And trust me, this tastes really good. So guys, it's boiling. Duck is a stiff meat, so you want to put in a little plenty of water and let it boil down till it's soft and tender. This is one meat you don't want to pressure. So tender the duck, look, well cooked. So guys, we have our duck curry here finished up. You can see it's nice and dry. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. So here we have some curry duck finished cooking. It's nice and dry. And duck is something you don't want to cook with a lot of water.